Welcome, welcome in, welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Let's chat. It's Sunday. What are you cooking today? Let me know what you're cooking today. Let's turn off that fan a bit. What are you cooking? Welcome in. Who is on? Welcome in. Share the live. Welcome in. Share the live. Like the live. What you're cooking today? Who is on? Welcome in. Radine, hi. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome in. Share the live. And just tell me what you're cooking as you come along. What you're cooking for dinner. What is it you have for dinner if you don't have it yet, or what you're cooking. Just let me know. Hit me up. Let me hear what you're cooking for Sunday dinner. It's Sunday, first day of the week, and it's June 4th. June is almost going to second week. What are you cooking, guys? Hot. Rice and peas, baked veg. Wow, that sounds good. Rice and peas, that must be baked chicken and steamed veg. That sounds good. Sounds healthy. I hope it's brown rice. But anyways, sounds delicious. I hope you're making my juice, carrot and mango, or any other one on my channel. Baked chicken, right? I figure more than less. Yes, that sounds delicious. That sounds delicious. Share the live, Radine. Let's have some more people up in here so that we can chat. Sounds great. You finished cooking or you eat already? Beetroot and carrot juice. That's my girl. I have one of those juice on my channel also. Beetroot and carrot, I believe. Yes, it's nice. It's a nice juice. Happy Sunday, Shireen. Welcome in. Happy Sunday. Share the live, like up the live, and let us chat. What are you cooking for dinner? Or is it done already? Or you eat it off already? I cooked some fish and rice and peas, and I'm gonna steam some vegetable. I wanted to cook some bami and fish and crackers, but I changed my mind. I changed my mind and cook rice and peas instead. Rice and peas and brown stew fish is nice. Nice, 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 nice. So that's what I cook. And I'm gonna have some of my nice natural juice that I made yesterday. I think it's mango, carrot. No, not the one that I put up, I made another one, mango, carrot, and pineapple. Yes, that video is to come soon. So I'm gonna have that with my dinner. Yep, make my own juice most of the time. Yes, welcome in. Welcome in and share the live. If you're not a subscriber, remember to subscribe and comment. Rice and peas and brown stew fish, that's what I'm having too. Bam! That's it. Yes, that's the good food. Yeah, that's what I feel for today. Yeah. Cook already. Meanwhile, I was watching Auntie because it goes for hours. I was cleaning and washing and cooking. So now I clean, wash, cook, and everything done. So I decided to come and chat. I don't eat yet though. Going to have dinner after this live. Because it's still early. 2:45. I eat so early, I gotta eat again. Even if I eat 4 o'clock still, I still gotta eat again. Because it's Sunday. Normally, when I used to go up, on Sundays, When we used to, my mother used to cook early, We go church, come back and eat. And then we have a second round of eating. Either my mother food or my auntie. My auntie used to be like next door, country stay. The family them live kind of close. So my auntie over here and my mother over there. So when I finish eat my mother dinner, I go over my auntie go get my dinner again. So we used to roll. I was doing all that stuff too. I'm finished cooking but don't have my dinner yet. Me either. Yes. It's like Sunday is traditional. Cook, eat early, and then eat a second dinner. That's how my Sundays normally be. And then you have the ice cream. Yeah. Sundays for ice cream. The ice cream man come round. Our ice cream man had a bike and he used to come round and blow. You know the ice cream song make on the bike. And then come on and blow. And same get ice cream and out of the road now, park up and wait for we as children to come and buy ice cream and then play in the ball ground. Yeah, that's how my childhood was in St. Thomas. So the children them like we normally have like music, like attraction out on the ball ground in the after church and after eating, you put on your Sunday best. Your Sunday best, them little nice little top or nice little dress or something, and you're gone and you're gone a ball ground now. Everybody are go out there. That's where we mostly meet as children, and we know and we play with each other. Yeah, that's how we roll. I was doing all that stuff too. Okay, yeah. That's how we roll on Sundays when we're growing up. And Monday is school, so you can't stay out the road too late, You have to come in by 6, 7 o'clock. You have to leave and go in, cause school is the next day. So you'd have to you normally would wash your ear or cream your ear or press your ear before the Sunday, and then you go straight, your shoes and everything ready, uniform iron up and ready for school the next day. You go to the road, you have to come in back by a certain time to get ready for bed so that you can wake early for school. That's how Sundays normally be. But these children Sundays nowadays, it's different. Social media, they are just different. They are just growing different than us. We is a good old outside, go get little fun, come back in. It's either you play a little sleeping middle on the out of the ball ground or you play some baseball or whatever it is we're playing, and then we come back. Sometimes you have movie out there, you watch a little movie and you come back in. That's how our Sunday growing up normally be. Eat two dinner, eat with ice cream, go ball field, go chill out with each other. Sunday school in the evening. Okay. Never go Sunday school in it. Sunday school in our church always before church. It always keep before church. And then after church is you're going to service. It keeps some Sunday if they're going to have like for my daughter now when she was growing up here. That's how they did it at my church. Church finish, you whatever, and then after you come home and eat and rest. Cause I used to normally like sleep after me have my dinner and then wake up and iron and stuff. When I sleeping, my daughter normally come and say, Mommy, 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 you sleeping? Church time, church time. And I always have to carry go to church, like Sunday evenings for, I'm not so sure if it's Sunday school or it's just some activities that they normally have Sunday after church. Yeah. So reading, you might be in the young era, like the 90s babies and the 2000s babies. Yes, that's what they used to do. Like up the live, guys, and welcome in. Welcome in. We are just here chatting about what we cook for dinner. What is it we normally do on a Sunday? Sunday evening vibes, chilling. Yes, Sunday school at church in the morning, but at 4 o'clock at the neighbor's house is Sunday school. Oh, okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Nice. Mm. Yeah, Shireen, are you still there? What a live festive last night. I don't know if we didn't watch Auntie Donna's live, but the live did so festive last night. Yeah. Um when you have Sunday school 4 o'clock. Sunday school. Okay, yeah, you're here. What you cooking for dinner? Oh, you said brown stew fish was over teenage. Yeah, me did the pump girl. I don't know my life still. I have two live around. Auntie Dana, teenage. So my ear my listening is on two live. That's how I do it. Cause if I don't do it like that, me now watch over no live. Mm-mm. I prefer catch some of the information and get some of what they're saying live than go after the live. Only if it's a very short live, I'll watch it over. Yeah, I was on both. Only if it's a short live, I will watch it over. But I'm not gonna sit down and watch 3 hours of live are gone already. Can't manage that. If me even do it, me I go skip it. I can't sit down and watch it straight to the end. Mm-mm. My what you call it now? Listening ability is not that. For those live, attentive with something like that is not live and active, where I can talk and type and communicate with each other. If it gone already, I'm not gonna have much interest to watch it again. So it depends on thing there. So for the YouTube now, the most they'll say to go is like the least is like 10 minutes up. But some YouTube, if me look on my YouTube, I may say 3 hours. If I say 25 minutes or an hour and a little bit, I'll watch it. But when it go over 2 hours, going 3, 4, that's not me. I'll not. I prefer to watch a movie for that time. I love to interact live on a live thing. If it's and you see when I do videos, those are not live and it's just a recipe. You can learn from it and you get ideas. That's different. And it's not gonna take a 2 hour span or an hour span when I'm doing a video. It's like maybe the most 20 something minutes. And the 20 something minutes is like for vlogs, or if I'm cooking a full meal and I want to show you how I'm doing the full meal, it will go maybe 20-30 minutes. But not 2 hours and 3 hours. That's too much. And if it's gonna be over that, I'm gonna split the video. Yeah, it's very boring. Mm-mm. You're not gonna realize, oh, but I can't say anything. Nobody not gonna see me comment. Nobody not gonna read it. Nobody not gonna type back and ask me something. So, yeah. So if when I'm doing a video, and if it's going to go over 30 minutes, 25 minutes, 30, I split it. I split as prefer to say part one and part two, because that's the way that you'll get person sitting and watching it better than just have a 30 minutes video going straight. For live now like this, I know persons, if the topics are interested or they want to know what you talk about for today, and if it's not that long, person will watch it, or you can break it up into different parts. Watch some today, some the next day, until you finish it. But me can't, me not gonna sit down and watch it 3 hours, 3 hours long, you know. But if it's live now and you watch it for 3 hours, you can be doing something. You can be folding up some clothes. You can be cooking some dinner. You can be doing something and listening. So it no, it no seems very waste of time or very long watching, listening to something that has gone already. Yeah. But yeah, the live was very festive. I laughed till I cried. Sometimes I wish we could see each other reaction, because I'm telling you, it's very, 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 very festive. And you learn so much from those video talks that Auntie have. I learned a lot last night, um, and other times, because person sharing their experience and person sharing what they go through, you would not have known those situations unless you listen. So, yeah, very informative. Is it raining in your neck of the woods today? It wasn't raining, so I decided to wash and I get my clothes dry today. hmm And it's officially hurricane season, guys. June 1 is officially the start of the hurricane season. June 1 to November 30th it ends. So we have to look out now for storms, hurricane, and any bad weather, because this is the time for it. Even though they say it's gonna be a dry season and it's not gonna be active, I know 1 and 2 flare up will happen, just like the other day, last week, when we have rain. All parishes have rain, so we have to ensure that hurricane season, remember what they say normally, ensure that your roof is okay. Get some sandbags if you don't have a proper roof or you're scared that anything will happen to it. Get some sandbag, get some blocks, whatever it is, put on it. Remember your candle, get some candle. I don't know if they're still selling kerosene oil, but yes, get those things, put them up. Tin stuff, get some tin stuff in, so that if anything happen, you have food, biscuits, not eat for bread, but you can get bread too, because bread can freeze and come back fresh now, guys. Yeah, burnt month. Yes, man, it's hurricane. You can freeze bread, and when you take it out, it's just as you just bake it or just buy it. Fresh, 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 fresh. And you don't have to wait till it thaw out like that. Well, you just take it out. When you're ready to use it, put it down at the regular part of the fridge and then use it. So you have to prepare for anything. this time of the year. And as I said before, it go up to my beautiful month, November 30th. Yeah. So it starts with Rodine month and ends with my month. No, it's not very sunny. I washed and got the clothes dry, and yeah, pressing my son uniform for the week. Be going back to the doctor tomorrow. Oh, that's so nice. Is he recovering? How is his hand doing? Is it healing properly well? I remember the incident with him. Is it healing well now? Welcome in, guys. Welcome into my live. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to watch my videos. I hope it's a good report tomorrow when he goes back to the doctor. Ah, boy. And you send out your children to school, you never know, you never know, you never know. You never know. You just have to pray for them. Pray them up and send them. Okay. It's still in the cast. You have to just pray for them and ask God guidance, because so many things. Okay, it's still in the cast. Okay, so maybe he's gonna take it off tomorrow now, and then you will see how it is progressing. Yeah, but just praying for you and hope for the best. Hope that his report is good tomorrow when he comes back from the doctor, and the hand can be he can go ahead and do therapy now and get his hand back in order. So sad. Yeah, but summer is coming up also. Summer is coming up. It's June. Children will be on summer break. Wow. And I'm sure, I know the parents are starting to wonder where they're going to do with their children. Yeah, I have some children now can go for summer jobs. Guys, if your children reach the age of, I think it's 16, they can get a summer job. You can find out these information. I don't know, maybe you're working at an office or somebody else's office. You can ask and they can assist you. Ask them if your child can get a summer employment in their organization. I think they do it for 4 weeks. 4 weeks each time. 4 weeks. A child get 4 weeks, and the little money that they get can help. So if your child is over 16, if he's going college, even more so, that little assistance will help a long way during the summer. Can help them to buy them little lunch and get them the experience, because that's how they're going to get the experience most times. Either that or they do the internship or summer. And if they do summer in their area of study, it would be good. So you can always check on that. For the babies now, don't know what to tell you. And the youth service program too, they have that too. They have that alongside the internship and the summer program. The summer jobs is like for just for the children who are going back to school September. They can take a month and do some work, take the next month and prepare themselves for the start of the school year or get some break, relaxation. But yeah, it's getting there. It's almost summer. Can't believe it. We just celebrated Christmas. and it's almost summer. Yeah. Redine gone? Or she may be still cooking. Persons are still cooking, so yeah. Soon be Christmas again. It will soon be Christmas again. Time not waiting on none of us. It will be Christmas soon. Yeah, Christmas is coming soon. So all those Christmas tree that just went out, so I have to put it back again. That's how the time is going. Okay. Oh, you have two boys. Oh, nice. I didn't get any boy. You have two boys. Nice. Shireen have a boy. Yeah, Christmas is just around the corner. You can start buy up Christmas stuff from now before them get expensive. Yes, it's dinner time. It's what time? It's 10 minutes, 7 minutes past 3. So yeah, it's dinner time. Time to eat dinner. It's Rodine, how do you manage with your two boys? How is it having two boys? Doesn't sound like you have a daughter. It sounds like it's just boys. How is it? How is parenting two boys? Because I don't have that experience. I don't have experience parenting girls. I always wanted a boy, but it didn't happen. Thank you for that scriptures. I don't know who the person is, but thanks for the scripture. Very relevant in this time. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. And it would be good if I could know that name. Always on their table. On their tablet playing games. Okay. Alright. Sounds like they are manageable and they're good children. Yes, we need our Lord. Definitely. Anything for the about the scripture, I'm there for it. They're good boys. I know some person experiences with boys different and some with girls too. 'Cause every child different in their own unique ways. So yeah. Remember to like the live, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Add Shireen because Tinder is busy. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you're not a follower, please subscribe. And thanks for the scripture and share with your friends. This channel is very beautiful. It's all about positivity, and it's all about nutritious menu and delicious and any little things that bring happiness to you. They are not on their tablets, they are playing by themselves on the outside. Okay. What's the age group? Are they twins? Nice. Shireen, are you still there? 116 and 1 and 11. Three boys. Three boys. Ready? Three boys. 116 and 111. Is it three boys? Wow. Oh yeah, Shireen right here. Okay. I'm not so sure if it's saying three boys. Wow. You are blessed. You are blessed, blessed, Redeem. Oh, 16 and 11. Okay. Two boys, but still you're blessed. Two boys. Shireen have two boys too? So wait. Appear boys' parents on this live today. Shireen have two boys too? Redeem have two boys. Shireen have two boys. Wow. Never getting a boys. I wanted a boy. But anyways, I've adopted my nephew. So my sister and I share as parents. Yeah, that's how it goes. Wow. Boys are running things. Okay, responding to Rodine's. Oh yeah, I have a lot of boys in your family. Okay. Awesome. I heard that boys are loving, caring to their mummies. They're very protective, but my daughter is too. Well, lots when you have a lot of boys in your family, you're the what would I call it now? The family name of the father will go on. It's not gonna change when they meet a girl. Only the girls one will change when they meet them husband. So they always say the boys carry on the tradition of the name. Yeah. Some girls will quickly want to change their names. Yeah. To their husband name. Yeah. Yeah. I must think there. How do we oh, the person would have to go live and I would have to do it away there in order to do that. Okay. Okay. Would have to be another YouTuber or a Zoom for you to see people. Always say I want to do a Zoom to see my subscribers. Put up when I'm talking to them, we can see each other, interact more. You know? Yeah, can be done. You have some Zoom where you can use some online tools where you can use to do that. Yes, guys. I guess everybody else is having their Sunday dinner, cooking their Sunday dinner, or out with their families. It's just a quick live, or just a quick pop up. Only person missing from this live, always on my live. Wow, it's Mr. Fox, Silver Fox is absent. Is what you would call it now? When it's obviously missing. Yeah, and some people still cooking. It's obviously missing today from this live. Hope when he watch this live, he can see that I was talking, saying, "Oh, you're always on my live. You're missing Michael Phillips. What's his name again? Michael Phillips. He's also missing. Yeah. I mean, no, Nashona and the others may be cooking. Yeah, they are they are busy today. I really didn't set a live schedule for today. I just decided that I'm just gonna do a pop-up. Just say hi. Yeah, they are missing. Yeah. Because remember say until live go late, so person maybe have a late start. But I never stay I sit down when I was listening our live. I was doing other things in the meantime. But it's a fairly good Sunday today. I'm not seeing any rain in sight. I'm seeing still sun. So happy that persons can get their laundry dry. Because we're not so sure what will happen tomorrow. Based on the weather keep changing. So sometimes I have the weather up on my phone. So as my seat, it was sending a message and say it's warmer in Kingston tomorrow. I said, okay, that sounds like a washing day. That's how I watch the weather and get my, my laundry dry. Yes, Rodine, you're here. I'm happy that you're here and you can do your thing and listen to my live. Not true? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. The weather app is, well, the one that I have, the right name, national weather. Right name, some weather something. It's the blue app. Yeah, thank God for the sunshine. Yeah. It's a blue app that I have. When I really follow the weather, man, on TV, I use my app and watch the weather when I'm doing laundry. Even if I'm going country, you can put in the country name in it and see what the day like. Look who is here, guys. Look who is here. Tell him so we just chat him. Hello, Silver Fox. We just what if I didn't end this live? You would have missed it. Just saying that is the first time I have not seen you on my live. What happened? What's going on? Where have you gone? And here you are. Here you are. Welcome in. We missed you. Welcome in. It's Sunday. It's Sunday. I hope you are doing well. I hope you have your Sunday dinner ready. What did you have for dinner? Let me know. What did you have? Or what are you cooking for dinner? Because some people cook late. What is it you're having? How is it going? Yeah, we missed you and we chat you in the early part of the live. Say if you look back at this live, you will see that we were saying you were missing, but welcome and we are happy to have you. So I'm asking, what is it for dinner? Some persons are doing rice and peas and brown stew fish. Some person do baked chicken, rice and peas and veg, and juice, beet and carrot juice. Some mango, carrot and pineapple juice. And we're asking you now, what is it you're having for dinner? Or what is it you have for dinner? Yeah, you almost missed the live, truly, because I'm almost was going to say, oh, let's go. And there you are, right on time. Catch a part of the live. Even though I know you will rewatch. Because you missed out on some of the earlier discussion. Well, welcome. Are you at work still? I just asked a question. That mean you're still at work? That mean dinner is being cooked, or dinner is gonna be had by, what do you call it now? Street restaurant today. Okay. See, when you listen and don't type or say something, I don't know if you're on. Yes, better late than never. Yeah, better late than never. And see it, you are here. So you're going to have to buy dinner today, or the family cooking dinner? I do that sometimes too when I'm really busy. Yeah, eat out. You can eat out. Eat out is not a bad idea sometimes. Take a break and eat something different. Eat a different cooked meal. Even though I prefer home cooked meal. Silver Fox still busy, so we're not hearing his business today. If he's gonna eat out or his family's cooking. Or I'll have to mail some of my dinner for him. Just send it by the drone, Send it off and say, dinner. Receive your dinner from the drone at such time. Look out for it. It's gonna be dropped on your lawn at your house. Is that what is going to happen? Maybe. Who is on here on TikTok? Please follow me on TikTok. TikTok is taking up much of my time. I like to watch some of them live. They're over there. Some of them play games. Something. They're very entertaining. Oh, you do that sometime. Okay. Oh, so okay. Yeah, sometimes you're busy for true, but when I go in the live, I normally say good evening or good whatever, and then I maybe disappear. So you can know that I was there. If you not text or anything, you can know when you are here. There's somebody who said that they are always listening but they can't type. I don't know why. I think it's Kenny's. I don't know why. I don't know if you have to have a YouTube account, or maybe my life says subscribers only can comment. I don't know. So if she not subscribed, she won't be able to comment. Thanks, Shireen. Thank you. You follow me on TikTok? TikTok? I don't remember. Follow me on TikTok. I'll go live there sometimes. I go live once, well, one time, and then I go live in another live. We watch movie together on a live. Mm-hmm. The other night till much o'clock in the morning. Oh God. But it's very entertaining if you're bored, like me sometimes. Okay, thank you. If I'm bored sometimes, when I go over TikTok, because sometimes Auntie not on, or sometimes the topic you don't want to hear some of those topics, or yeah, sometimes them some of the live may I fall asleep, so I just go over TikTok with it, we're more active, and then it keep me up a bit. But sometimes, as I said, I have two devices going at once. The Antidown Live and something else. Always. Yes, please do follow me on TikTok. It's same and Booth. I think it's Ann Booth 1 2, something like that. But you see me. If you type Ann Booth, you'll see the picture and you'll see me. Follow me. And there are some persons over there, they are very entertaining. The young people, as Auntie would say, the young people over there, they're very entertaining. Yeah. See, it's Silver Fox busy, no response. Anyways, we're still pressing on. Still pressing on to account for you. To account? Yes, because it's true. I took up my iPad and I click on TikTok there, the app, and it took me to a different account, and I was surprised when I see. Let me say, why did it create another account? Because I think it would just, they would just merge, because it's my iPad and my other account would merge, but it's like different devices give you different account. So yeah, there's another one that barely out. I don't remember what his name, but it can be my backup. Yeah, I didn't realize that. I didn't remember it's there. Yeah, it's two of them, but follow the one with the most videos. I'm using that one most of the time. And come over and come and give us taps and roses when I go live. That's how me hear them and say taps and roses, guys. Snipe. Yeah, very, 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 very entertaining. All right, so I think I share it sometimes on my. I'll post it. I don't even know how to do nothing in this live. I'm afraid me go do something wrong. I don't even know how to pin. Me don't know how to do nothing. Um, me don't know how to do nothing in this live. Nothing at all. Save, highlight, share, mute, cancel. I don't know how to pin a video. I don't know how to pin a link. I don't I don't see that option. It's not that I don't know, but I'm not seeing any option for that. But I'm gonna share it on my FB page again. I don't know how to share a link on here at all. How comes? No idea how to. Yeah, let's see what's going on here. So, how do I forgot to do some research. Um, oh, Sharina, see like think they're on live. I see like Lika Brata on live. Tell him some soon. Um, yeah, I'm gonna post the right one on my FB so that you can follow. All right, guys. So I hope I help Rodine to finish our chores for today, and I help Shireen to um what Shireen do now? Finish our dinner, finish cook our dinner, or finish eat. Okay, finish eat our dinner or something. I'm gonna eat my dinner, and yes. So thanks, guys, for coming into my life. Appreciate it, and I'll see you soon on my next live. Remember to check out my other videos on my channel. If you're a new follower, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Like, share, and comment on my video, guys. Some people comment on the Facebook page and don't want to comment on the video. Please comment on YouTube. Oh, you finished pressing? Oh, I take you through that process. That's nice. Yeah, because sometimes you just need a little motivation, a little talking going on so that you can finish your chores, whatever it is you have to do. It's easy when you have somebody talking and you're doing your duties around the house. It makes it easier, like you not even want to stop. You finish the iron the clothes, but you feel like through the talking I go on, you iron a couple more pieces because you feel nice. Yes, I get that feeling sometimes when I'm on watching other person's live. I get the push, I get the motivation to, you know, continue doing stuff. So I'm glad I was able to make you feel that way, guys. And looking forward to the next live soon, hopefully. Yeah. So thank you guys for stopping by. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Remember, Sunday is for ice cream. Go ahead and get an ice cream. Treat yourself. Sometimes you can buy it in your grocery, have it in your fridge, so that when Sunday come, you can, share out a little after dinner for the children, or you take them out after dinner and go have ice cream. All right. So thank you so much for passing through. And remember to like, share, subscribe. And I will see you guys again in my next video. Remember to look out for my posts, my other videos when I share them, so that you can also like, share, and comment on them. And then, yes, thank you, Radine. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate that, and I was happy that I could entertain you. Let's give this live a 1 hour. Let's soon reach an hour, so we can just let it go an hour then. I'm happy that I was able to do that, and you guys complete whatsoever. I'm going to be enjoying my dinner. Of course, I'm going to be eating my dinner now after this live. So, thanks, guys. I was saying to make it go an hour, but it's going to take a couple more minutes, but that's okay. So, see you again in my next live, guys. Bye. 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 How do I do this?